Tegus are highly intelligent and inquisitive reptiles. But as a Tegu owner, you want your Tegu's mind to be as sharp as possible, and you also want them to avoid boredom while living in captivity. Well, in this video, we're going to teach you guys how you can help your Tegu avoid boredom through creative enrichment. This is Animal Steam Exotic. Let's get started. So, to begin, we'll need two things. The first thing we'll need is this. I call this a hexagon ball, but this is called a holly roller. I'll leave a link to this in the description below so you guys can get that. The next thing you'll also need is reptile links. Now, reptile links is basically every single thing that a Tegu needs in one. This has poultry, this has berries, multiple different kinds of fruits, along with berries. It has collard greens and lots of vegetables. Everything a Tegu needs in one. And I'll also leave a link to this in the description down below. So, how are we going to utilize these two things? Let me show you. First, we're going to take our hexagon ball. Then, we're going to take our reptile link. What we're going to do, we're going to carefully feed the reptile link through the hole. Just push it in as far as possible. Make sure it doesn't break until it's nice and firmly established in there. Then, we're done. Now, what's next? Now, the next thing we're going to do is see how long it takes for him to get that link out of there successfully. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, guys, that was either too easy or it was just too easy. Did you see how wide his jaws opened to get that out of that Kong ball? That's how much they want to get something, guys. It was a little too easy this time. We need to be more creative next time because he was just a little too smart for that. And he was getting a little too violent, so we had to assist him just a little bit. But that was truly amazing. So I know we're gonna have some more creative things for him, but he was just too good for this one and way too strong. So we need to get more creative next time. Now, if you noticed how he uses ingenuity, he knew that biting the ball wasn't getting the job done. But once we held it firmly, he knew at that point, all he had to do was simply pull. That's how they utilize their intelligence. That's how they adapt to find food. Biting it made no kind of change. One pull made all the difference. It's hard to notice at first, but if you look at the footage again, you'll notice that. And that didn't take very long, as I mentioned, but that was pretty amazing. And also remember, guys, all of this enrichment, this quick enrichment, was done in a single feeding. So if we replicate how they need to use their ingenuity in the wild, you'll have a happy and healthy Tegu, guys. So keep trying these techniques. Click the links in the description down below. Utilize this strategy. You'll have a healthy Tegu that uses their ingenuity. They avoid boredom. They'll live a long, happy, healthy 20 years. All right, guys, this is Animal Steam Exotic. Me and Titus. We'll see you next time.